Hi, my name is Beth Canalucci. I teach in both social and behavioral science, but also in language and literature. I have an undergrad degree from Temple University in education. I have my master's in English and language arts and a degree as a reading specialist. And I'm currently working on my PhD at the American College of Education in Curriculum and Instruction. So in language and literature, I teach college reading and study skills, which would be a course for someone who didn't hit their academic stride in high school, but is ready for college work. In language and literature, we have global studies and foreign language. We have literature degrees. We have degrees in English. You can study English and then get your secondary teaching degree. We have sign language, children's literature. There's so many ways to incorporate the written language into majors and future occupations. The clubs related to our department would be the Literature Magazine, which comes out yearly, and we have a school newspaper for our journalism majors. Bucks County has a wonderful culture. Even though it's a commuter school, we really have camaraderie here on campus. We would love for you to check us out and understand that when you go on to your four-year school, the four-year schools value Bucks County Community College students because they know our programs are so strong. We hope you will join us in your academic career.